Hello guys and welcome. In this video I'm gonna explain about the void function in TypeScript, how they work. I will show you step by step. In previous tutorial I explained about the return function, return annotation, and in this video I'm gonna show you that the void function in TypeScript. Let me create a function called the file. I name it void func.ts. You can name it like you want. So now let me say that if you want to create a function without a returning statement, how you use in TypeScript, you say like this: function, for example, Baymax or robot. Okay, Baymax, which is equals to, it's not arrow function. I'm creating a normal function, and I'm saying that console.log hello, I'm Baymax, your personal personal health care, and class of for example $name of the name, how are you, question mark. Okay, so let me create and this some robots. Okay, so I am creating a function for a Baymax. It says that hello, I'm Baymax, your personal health care plus the name. So we didn't define the name. The TypeScript just doesn't know this stuff. So now let me create a name of a string, and let me create that this is a void. Okay, so this is a void function because I'm not using in here a return statement. Okay, I'm not using in here the return statement in here. Okay, so if I use return, it says that the string is not assignable to the type of void. Okay, so to solve this you have to use this symbol with a void. Okay, now if you print something with that variable name, you can work on that. For example, let me call my function Baymax. Let me give it by new Terex. Okay, and now let me save it and let me try to run it, and it says that hello, I'm Baymax, your personal healthcare Bioterex, how are you? Okay, so this Bioterex comes from this parameter. So this is how you create a void function in a TypeScript. Okay, so it is easy guys, I know that, but we have to touch every concept. Okay, some of people need how to know how to work with a void function. Let me create another function called with arrow function. For me, let me say that my favorite food, which is equals to string, or let me say like, or my favorite color, which equals to a let me console.log, and my favorite color is, I want to be dynamic this to for example color, and let me give this one to a color of a string, and let me give it a void. Okay, so in arrow function you also add it between this arrow symbol and this close parenthesis. You can use this void symbol. Then I console.log my favorite color is a color, and now let me call my function and let me give it of, for example, a color of blue. Okay, now let me save it and let me try to run it, and it says that my favorite color is dollar color, color. I don't know what's okay, sorry, I'm not using a literal symbol in here. Save it again and let me run it, and it says that my favorite color is blue. Okay, so this is good. So you can work also with different data type. Let me show you one last time. Const, let me say like say hi like this, and hello, or or const addition, which equals to, let me give a number 1 or number 1 with a number data type, and number 2 with a data type of a number, and I give it a void function, and I am trying to let me show you that I'm trying to give it a void for a number datas. Okay, and now let me print out that number 1, or let me say that the addition or the sum of number 1 and number 2 is $sign of those operations to be added. Okay, now let me call my addition and let me give it a value of 4 and 4. Okay, so 4 and 4 addition is 8, as you know, basic mathematics operation. So to show you that with a void, and let me try to run the code, and it says that, oh sorry, save it and run with a clear terminal, and it says that the sum of 4 and 4 is 8. Okay, so this is how we work with a void function without any return keyword in TypeScript. So this is for today, guys. This is simple. I hope you understand the concept. If you want the code, you can get it in my GitHub repo, TypeScript tutorials. You can get these all files. Okay, so this is for today, and in the next video I see you. Bye bye.